Today, I'll show you how to use soundbuttons.com and all its main features step by step. First, open your browser and go to soundbuttons.com. Once the website opens, you'll see thousands of sound buttons, sound effects, and meme soundboards ready to use. To play a sound, simply click on any sound button and it will play instantly. These sounds are perfect for memes, gaming, streaming, content creation, and fun. Scroll down to explore the trending meme soundboard, where you'll find viral and popular sounds updated regularly. You can also explore different soundboards from the categories menu, including meme soundboards, prank sounds, kid soundboards, reaction sounds, and more. You can turn on autoplay to let sounds play continuously without clicking each button. You can also use random play to instantly discover new and unexpected sounds. Sound Buttons works unblocked on mobile, desktop, Chromebook, and tablet. No app or software required. To download a sound, open any sound page and click the Download MP3 button. The sound will start downloading instantly. If you like a sound, click the heart icon to mark it as a favorite and save it for later. To share a sound, click the share icon, copy the link, and send it on WhatsApp, Instagram, Discord, or anywhere you want. You can search for sounds using the search bar, browse categories, or explore trending sounds anytime. That's how easy it is to use soundbuttons.com. Play sound buttons, use meme soundboards, download sounds, save favorites, and share instantly.